got some current today. I'm gonna sit here for a while. This is where I first saw a deer last weekend. I've not seen anything yet, but it's a good little spot here, so I'll wait it out till the sun comes up, and when I feel like it, I'll go somewhere else. I'm checking out this spot that I hunted last year. Thought I would see if there's anything new, what the deer sign looks like. In the past it was really good. Somebody dropped an arrow in here. It doesn't look like it's been shot. I did see a set of boot tracks when I came into this spot. I don't know how long this arrow's been here and if it comes from the same boot tracks, but I'm gonna leave it stuck right here in this log in case the owner comes back looking for it. Probably fell out of his quiver. Got deer coming through. They're in the woods though. So I came up to this clearing a little while ago and laid down in the sun and dozed off a little bit. Well, I woke up pretty quick when I heard what sounded like multiple deer running towards me, so I got up and looked and I caught a glimpse of a couple white flashes. I think it was 2 deer, and they were just inside the wood line across this clearing, and they stopped behind some cedar trees. And then from there I lost track of them. Couldn't see if they eased off or if they're still standing there now. So I really don't know where they're at, so I'm gonna sit tight for a little while. Well, it's been about 15 minutes and I have not seen or heard anything else of those deer. Now I'm gonna attempt to still hunt my way back to the boat since it's not very far. They just blew and ran off. That was a whole herd of does. One of them saw me they were about 20 yards, and one of them saw me and they kind of took off and stopped to where I could barely see any of them. And then, I don't know if the wind swirled or one of them picked me out, but 2 of them blew at the same time and they just ran off. Just jumped a doe off the bed. There she goes. I'm just getting close to where I want to climb, and that doe is bedded 20 to 25 yards from me. And I froze and tried to put the camera down, and then she got up and ran off and stopped and looked at me. I almost got a shot at her. I had her in the crosshair, but too much grass. Well, I decided to sit down on the ground because there's a lot of little cedar trees in here I didn't know about, and that can be an issue. Like with last weekend, climbing up in a tree. I won't be able to see as well, so I'm gonna stay on the ground where I can see pretty good. She's behind. There she is. I counted 4 does come out of the tall grass into the woods, feeding around, not getting any closer really. But I just saw at least 2 or 3 run back out into the tall grass and disappear. I don't know if it was all of them or not. They didn't look spooked, they were just running back across the field where they came from. I just got up to start packing my stuff, and there were 2 does over to my left that I could not see until they blew and ran off. Guess I should have stayed put. They may have worked their way over in front of me. Well, I got on the deer again, but this time didn't even pull the trigger. I guess that's better than missing. I had a couple of those deer this afternoon in the crosshair, just didn't quite have a good enough shot, so I plan on being back in the morning. We got some rain coming in the morning, but it's supposed to clear up after lunchtime, so I'll keep an eye on the forecast. I might have to get the rain gear out, but I plan on coming right back in here, so stick with me.